Learn numbers and learn to count. The number 1. Number 1. The number 2.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John.
The number 3.
Ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong.
The number 4. The number 5. The number 6. The number 7.
Are you sleeping? Are
The number 8.
Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong.
The number 9.
Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing.
The number 10. The number 11. The number 12.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing.
The number 13. The number 14.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John,
The number 15.
ding dong, ding ding dong.
The number 16.
Are you sleeping?
Let's count from 1 to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You have learned to count from 1 to 16. Now let's learn numbers. Let's learn how to identify numbers. This is the number 10. This is the number 2. This is the number 6. This is the number 12. This is the number 3. Number 4. Number 8. Number 5. Number 9. Number 11. Number 13. Number 10. Number 16. Number 12. Number 15. Number 1. Number 14. Thanks for watching Learn Numbers, Learn How to Count. You can go to my channel for more educational video for kids. Please subscribe, support our channel, leave us a like, a comment, and remember, new educational video for kids are uploaded regularly. Thanks for your support.